public schools, online lessons, and our customers were asking us, well, to give a little explanation about the to be, but in past form. Nothing easier than that. And we'll go through it step by step. We have prepared something a little bit for you. You see, this is what we talked about last time. You say in the always form, I am. Like, I am an English teacher. And Rafa, what are you? Are you an English teacher too?
I am a musician.
You're a musician, but you are also an English teacher. There you go. Very good. But I am not an engineer. Rafa, are you an engineer?
No, I'm not.
See, so this is our situation. That's the way it is. I'm an English teacher, and Rafa is an English teacher. Rafa is a musician, but Rafa certainly is not an engineer. And I am not an engineer either. So you see, now let's have a look at this story in the past form, okay? So I'm asking Rafa. Rafa, I am an English teacher and you are an English teacher. Were you an English teacher 2 years ago?
Yes, I was.
You see? Yes, Rafa said, I was. Well, you see, I was an English teacher 2 years ago, but I am still an English teacher, and so is Rafa, still an English teacher. But 2 years ago, he was an English teacher too. Let me ask you this, or let me show you this. I was in Spain a year ago. I was in Spain. Rafa, were you in Spain a year ago?
No, I was not.
Okay. Rafa, were you in Honolulu? Were you in Honolulu a year ago?
No, I was not.
You see, Rafa said I was not. And I can say, Rafa was not in Honolulu last year. Rafa, were you in Ireland 5 years ago?
Yes, I was.
Aha! You see, Rafa was in Ireland 5 years ago.
Were you in Ireland 5 years ago?
No, I'm sorry. I was not in Ireland 5 years ago. I was in Sicily 5 years ago, the first time. Wonderful. Were you in Sicily 5 years ago?
Unfortunately, no, I was not.
No, you have to go to Sicily. It's so lovely. Anyway, but I was in Sicily 5 years ago. You see, but I was not in Honolulu 5 years ago, and Rafa was not in Honolulu 5 years ago either. Rafa, where were you? I'm asking Rafa. Where were you? You see, again, crisscross. I was, and for the question, was at. But again, we are not standing in front of the mirror asking ourselves, was I? Yeah? So I'm asking Rafa. You were, and for the question, where are you? Rafa, where were you 5 years ago?
5 years ago, I was in Ireland.
See, 5 years ago, Rafa was in Ireland. So now I'm having a question for you out there, okay? Do you remember President Barack Obama? I do, certainly. Now, let me ask you, was Barack Obama the President of the United States? Yes, he was. Unfortunately, he's not anymore, but Barack Obama was the President of the United States. Now, let me ask you, was Michelle Obama, that's she, was Michelle Obama the First Lady? Let me hear. Right, Michelle Obama was the First Lady of the United States. Again, unfortunately, she's not anymore. So now let me ask you, President Barack Obama and the First Lady Michelle Obama, those two, they were in the White House. President Barack Obama and Michelle Obama, they were in the White House. Now let me ask you, they were in the White House? Were they in the White House? Very good. Yes, they were in the White House. Now, Rafa, when we're talking about President Barack Obama and Michelle Obama, were they in the White House 3 years ago?
Yes, they were.
Very good. Yes, they were in the White House 3 years ago. Were they in Germany, Rafa?
No, they were not.
Rafa, they were in Germany. They visited Germany.
For a visit, yes.
For a visit. They were in Germany for a visit. Right. So, was Paul McCartney in Germany?
Yes, he was.
Rafa, when was Paul McCartney in Germany?
Many times they started playing a lot in Hamburg, so many times.
Many times. Exactly. Now, let's look at the Beatles. Okay. Paul McCartney, Ringo Starr, what was the name of the others? I'm getting lost.
John Lennon.
John Lennon.
George Harrison.
George Harrison. Exactly. I'm terrible with musicians' names, even though they're so famous. I'm sorry. But anyway, all these guys, these Beatles, they were in Germany many, many times. As a matter of fact, they started their career in Hamburg. I know that, right? So they were in Germany many times. Rafa, let me ask you, were they in Germany last year?
No, only Paul McCartney, not the Beatles.
So they were not in Germany last year. No, the Beatles don't exist anymore as a band, exactly. So they were not in Germany last year, but Paul McCartney was in Germany.
They were not, but he was.
Exactly. The last part of the past form of to be is we. You guys out there and Rafa and me is we. Now, I'm asking Rafa, are we at Clovis Goose?
Yes, we are.
Right, we are at Clovis Goose. Rafa, are we in Germany?
Yes, we are.
Great, we are in Germany. Rafa, are we in Fulda?
Yes, we are.
Very good. Last question, Rafa, to stop the torture. Rafa, are we in Honolulu?
No, we're not.
No, we're not in Honolulu. We are in Germany. We are in Fulda, Germany, but we're not in Honolulu, right? So you see, the same thing again. Rafa and I, we are in Germany. Now, let me ask you, you, Rafa. Were we, you and I, Rafa, were we in Germany 40 years ago? 40 years ago.
40? No, we were not.
No, we were not in Germany. I was in the United States and Rafa wasn't even born yet. That's right. Rafa, were we in France 10 years ago?
No, we were not.
No, we were not in France 10 years ago. Were we in Fulda 5 years ago?
No, we were not.
Well, you see, Rafa was not
Yeah.
in Fulda 5 years ago. I tricked Rafa. Sorry. Rafa was not in Fulda 5 years ago, but I was in Fulda 5 years ago for sure. Exactly. Now, let me ask you, where are you guys? Where were you guys 5 years ago? Where were you 5 years ago? Let me know on YouTube channel, because I think that's just about it. I hope you've enjoyed our little English lesson. Subscribe and tell me where you were 5 years ago. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Give us a like.
Yeah, give us a like.